Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Incredible. Friends, today I am going to tell you about our senses. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. Our senses. Our body is very clever. It is always working hard to help us learn about the things around us. There are five main senses that our body uses every day: taste, smell, sight, hearing, and touch. Taste. We use our mouths and tongues to taste food and drinks. We can tell if the taste is bitter, salty, sweet, or sour. Everyone has foods they like and foods they dislike. So, which foods do you like the taste of? And what taste do you not like? Smell. We use our noses to smell things. Noses can detect things that smell nice, such as flowers and cakes baking in the oven. However, noses can also detect nasty smells, such as rubbish bin or old socks. So, which smells do you like? And which smells are not nice? Sight. We use our eyes to see things. We can see things that are near to us and things that are far away. Some people wear glasses to help them see things more clearly. So, what things have you seen today? And can you see your friends smiling at you? Hearing. We use our ears to hear sounds. Some sounds are loud and some sounds are quiet. For example, fire alarms are loud, but someone whispering is quiet. Even when you are sleeping, your ears will be busy listening to hear what is going on around you. Some people use hearing aids to help them hear more clearly. So, what sounds have you heard today? And were they loud or quiet? Touch. We mainly use our hands to touch and feel things. However, the skin all over our body can feel things too. We can tell if the things are cold or hot, hard or soft, tickly or prickly, and lots more. So what would a teddy bear feel like? And what would a seashell feel like? Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.